population so heavily online, APAC is leading the charge in redefining how we discover and consume video content. Hello, I'm Roma. No matter how big or small, new or old, businesses across the world have the same questions. How do you grow your customer base in markets you already operate in? How do you acquire customers in new markets? How do you cut through the noise and create helpful connections that will stand the test of time and scale? Google can partner with you in successfully growing your customer base, making it as big or as hyperlocal as you choose. APAC is a region of immense scale, with an estimated 1.5 billion digital buyers versus a billion in the rest of the world. By 2025, it is estimated that 50% of people in APAC will be millennials or Zoomers. That means that in a few short years, half of our population will be digital natives who love their technology, consume their content online, and have a very high bar for digital authenticity. It's important to note that these generations also influence the older generations in the use of technology and are already starting to shape worldviews of an up-and-coming Gen Alpha. With a population so heavily online, APAC is leading the charge in redefining how we discover and consume video content. The first big shift is that traditional programming now lives alongside creator-driven content. Viewers, not networks, are choosing what appears on their television screens. And critically, many viewers consume content online only, so TV campaigns don't reach them like they used to. And that's what makes online videos so crucial to building brand awareness. Adding YouTube to your media mix can provide 30% to 50% incremental reach to TV-only campaigns. The second major shift is the video consumption has moved beyond a single screen. YouTube is watched on every screen, be it shots on mobile, entertainment videos on laptop, or live streams on TV screens. And it's not just YouTube. Even broadcast channels are streamed on demand. Using multiple devices is the new normal. Connected TV is actually our fastest growing screen. For years, accounting for all viewers in the room has been a cornerstone of TV measurement. To help you account for the same behavior with YouTube CTV, we are launching co-viewing, planning, and measurement for YouTube. So when next football or cricket game is on, advertisers can accurately estimate additional people tuning in on the same connected TV screen. A like-for-like comparison between YouTube and linear TV buy.
I'm CVL Srinivas, Country Manager for WPP in India. WPP is the creative transformation company, and we use the power of creativity to build better futures for our people, planet, clients, and communities. In my work, I've seen how Indians increasingly rely on online tools to help them accomplish tasks, be it using search to answer their questions or turning to YouTube to learn something new, like I have been polishing my tabla skills by watching videos. This creates an opportunity for brands to grow their customer base by being present online and at the right time. As we just heard, connected TV or CTV has taken over linear TV behavior, offering more interaction, engagement, and control. Just last year, we saw a 2x increase in content consumption on alternate devices. Brands that successfully capitalize on this opportunity are seeing the benefits. We partnered with Wavemaker and Google to run an A/B experiment for L'Oreal, utilizing geo and consumer targeting. This experiment targeted the affluent segment through a connected TV-only campaign, in addition to a regular YouTube deployment strategy for their key markets. When we reviewed the results, we found the campaign delivered uplift well beyond the standard benchmarks, a 21 times lift in intent and a 1.5x lift for brand recall. CTV campaigns delivered 10 times higher search lift on YouTube versus non-CTV campaigns. Best of all, we were able to connect with hard-to-reach affluent consumers, which increased brand and product intent by up to 10 times. L'Oreal isn't the only brand where we're seeing results like these. It's happening right across the globe. CTV is opening a world of new possibilities for advertisers and businesses across every industry.
Thank you, Srinivas. Now let's take it back to the millennials and the Zoomers for a moment. Their influence is clearly visible in another key area, the explosion of digital commerce even in the remotest corner of APAC. From grocery to medicine to at-home spa treatments, APAC is transacting online more than ever before, both on websites and in-app. In fact, 72% of APAC app users actually prefer to engage with retailers through apps compared to other channels, including physical stores, websites, and emails. Growing customers online is more than just a business opportunity. It's essential to business growth. So let's look at the products helping you achieve those goals. We started our journey to help businesses easily acquire more app customers across Google properties with automated solutions like App Campaign for Install. As customers explore options and seek new brands, they are increasingly using Google surfaces to research. Chances are that the last time you spotted a cool brand or heard about a new product from a friend, you headed online to find out more as soon as you got a moment. In a world of multiple devices and 10-minute delivery, marketers play a critical role in influencing consumers on the very path to the first-time purchases. Today, we are excited to announce that Performance Max, our flagship single-campaign automated solution, can meet all your performance marketing needs beyond app promotion. The new customer acquisition goal in Performance Max allows you to optimize for new customers and maximize sales. Simply select your customer list, set customer acquisition value, and your campaign will optimize towards new consumers. You will also be able to see reporting for value for new versus returning customers. The simplicity of Performance Max makes it easy to expand to new users while maintaining efficiency across channels. Growing your customer base is easier with Google. We can drive incremental reach across multi-generational, multi-device audiences in order to help you acquire more customers online and offline, efficiently and at scale.